Hi, I'm Dr. Daniel Glazer. I'm Director of Science Gallery London. So we're here on the Guy's campus of King's College. The Shard is just above your heads over there, next to Guy's Hospital, and this is the biomedical campus of the university. Behind me, growing in bags of coffee grounds on the wall of the Guy's campus, are mushrooms spawn. And when the mushrooms are grown, we know that they can take in pollutants from the air, perhaps, and from the earth. And so this is an artistic experiment to see whether, at scale, air pollution could be altered by the things that are growing.
Today we have a public day where we present the installation, which is now up. So the last couple of weeks we've been growing mushrooms in the basement. We'd like to raise awareness about air pollution in London, and at the moment we just have the bags which we've grown in the basement, and we've put them up now so you can see them. And in the future they will grow and will be a very colourful wall of oyster mushrooms, which for us is really good because it's very visible, and air pollution itself is not very visible.
In cities we have quite a lot of poor air quality. London's got poor air quality, most of it arising from the very large number of vehicles we have within the city. And so one potential solution which has been proposed in order to reduce pollution is to actually have green walls. Well, this isn't going to be a green wall, it's a mushroom wall. But it's the same sort of principle. You create something, it has an increased surface area, maybe that will absorb more of the pollution, remove some of the toxins from the air which come from the exhausts of vehicles.
So the Environmental Research Group at King's is actually leading the way in monitoring London and Britain's air pollution. And while this small-scale initiative is not going to make a big difference, it is an example of how researchers across King's can work with students and with artists to make people think about the problems of today and tomorrow. The Environmental Research Group at King's are doing two kinds of monitoring here today. They're checking the air around us that we're actually breathing, because pollution you can't see. They've got some quite cool kit that allows them to test it in a very portable way. But they're also going to take a slice of the mushroom once it's grown and see whether it has succeeded to take pollution out of the air.
I definitely think that the future in food is very much about educating people of what's in season, of what it's sustainable to eat and what not. Meat is just one example of it. We just eat too much meat. We need to learn again and forget what we learned up to now.